Hey everyone, here with just a video short. I put up those DeWalt battery holders. I think it looks great up there. I got all of the plywood up. So this is all, well, not down here. Down here is just back underlayment for tile. It was really super light, and I'm not going to actually use this stuff for storage because I'm going to be walking by it. Remember, my shop isn't the biggest, so it makes no sense to put fudge cleats here and have stuff and knock into it. So I put plywood up here, 3/4 inch, so super thick. I've got extra studs going up and down, left and right, and I got all that marked off in a separate video that I've recorded for my own future reference, and I took pictures. But what's really nice about this is I don't really need French cleats. I thought about making French cleats because everybody on YouTube seems to be making French cleats. It's the thing to do if you're a cool kid. But, you know, I don't need French cleats. So I'm just going to screw things into the walls like I did here. If you look here, I just screwed that right in there perfectly. Yes, it's on a stud, but honestly, this doesn't carry much weight. So all I really had to do was put it into 3/4 inch plywood, and I don't have to worry about French cleats or any of that stuff. Obviously, the French cleat system is good if you want mobility, but you know what? I'm not going to be taking stuff off this wall to put here during a project. No, my shop is small enough where I don't need the modular stuff. Or if I'm actually going to do a project where I need some tools, like, for example, you might think, why are the batteries way over in that corner? Well, because I don't need all the batteries all at once. I can put them in my tools, like I can do here, and go get another one. You know, I don't need them all accessible at this moment here. This is more for the fact that I have, holy crap, I've got tons of batteries, more than I ever need in any one given project. You know, they're charging up over there. I got more there. I got some more in the other room, and they're going to start coming in here now that I put all this together. But I really like this. I'm trying to get this to be like a black and white stormtrooper kind of vibe here with the wall here. So I went with a black paint job there, and this over here. Still going with the red theme like I got over here. I'm going to be doing some stuff here. I painted this stuff up here. Just some 1x4, and then some leftover offcuts from the 3/4 there. Painted it nice and red. Gonna be putting that on the wall at some point for some storage as well. But I'm not gonna go with the French cleat system. I think this is gonna do a great job here with the 3/4 inch plywood that's been put into the studs, and it's gonna go pretty well for me. In the future, I'll do the same thing over there, but I'm not in a hurry. I got some good real estate now, real estate that I didn't have ever before. So I'm going to start using it. Start using it up. Start organizing things here. And hopefully I get some 3D printed DeWalt tool holders soon. Like that, you know, the 3D part would fit right in there. And I can just put it on the wall right there and it'd be beautiful. I thought about doing this or this. But again, I don't have all the shop space, so I'll probably have to do something like this where I put it up here on a piece of wood that's going left to right. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it.